Hey you guys, welcome to Crafting with Julia. I'm Julia and I'm so glad you tuned in today. If you enjoy my videos, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you can be notified of all my newly released videos. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I invite you to join my Facebook group called Crafting with Julia's Creative Community, where you can be part of my crafting family. All of these links are in the description below this video.
Hey guys, it's Julia here. I just wanted to show you some stuff that I picked up today at Dollar Tree and Dollar General. I went over there hoping to find things for fall crafting. They're not really that stocked I'm in upper New Jersey, northern New Jersey, and it takes some time for my Dollar Tree to catch up with the rest of the world, but I did manage to find some cool stuff. So I wanted to just share that with you and show you just a little bit of what might be coming up in future videos. So let's start with my favorite thing first. I can't believe I found these things. Check this out, little pumpkins. Now, I love pumpkins. I just love them. So I might just keep them. Look at all these. Aren't they cool? I might just keep them the way they are, or I might paint them and do something with them. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with these yet, but they will show up in future videos. Next up, there's a lot of these bales of hay. You're going to need these for fall crafting, so I picked up a few of those. They always have felt. I am going to do a crow with black felt, so that's coming up soon. And this is probably going to be a witch, or I don't know, we'll turn this into something. Every time I go, I always pick up rope because I use a lot of rope in my projects. Rope and twine. I always pick that up. Next thing I found were these pearl beads. They have little holes in them, so I'm thinking maybe I'll do a tassel with some pearls. That would be very cool. They had this ribbon, burlap ribbon with the lace around it. Could always use that. The other thing that I saw that I loved were these little floral garlands. They're berry garlands, and they come in all different colors. I just picked up the orange and the red. The red I'm going to save for probably Christmas time, but the orange I'm definitely going to use for my fall decor. As usual, they always have nice florals. These are so pretty, aren't they? I love the colors. Look at these. Check these out. I love these. So I am going to be doing something with these. Then, check this out, pumpkins on a branch. Is that not adorable? I'm thinking of the many ways I can use these. Just in a vase alone, that is so adorable. So I picked up a bunch of those. They always have these wood pumpkins, cardboard pumpkins. I am definitely going to do something with this. Love it. This guy here, definitely that's a must. I'm thinking stencil. We'll see. And these were probably left over from summertime. These are not fall, but I am going to use them because I want to make fall tags. So I'm definitely going to use these. Another thing I picked up is this tray, which they always have in stock. And I'm going to paint that, and I picked up these little jars with the wire handles. Is that cute? So I picked up 3 of them, and I'm going to do something with that. So that's coming up in a future project. And then I picked up this frame here and this one here. That will show up in a future project. I'm thinking shiplap for the background and some kind of fall decor. And they always carry these little wooden cubes. I use these a lot, so I picked up that. That's it for Dollar Tree. Then I went over to Dollar General. There I was a little bit more successful. I got this. This was $5, and I am going to transform that into a different style. Or maybe I'll just keep it like that. I don't know. We'll see. Picked up this thing. I love this. This I am going to redo. I'm thinking iron orchid molds attached to this, so we will see. Then I picked up these jar tags for $1. I love these. These are going to be my fall. They're going to turn into a fall decoration. This I'm going to make a fall tag from. I got this. Is that cool? These are all $1. Then I saw this little guy. I just loved him, so I think I'm going to pull the stem off and use him in a craft. Then I picked up these little mini, they always have these little mini things. I think they're so adorable, and I am going to make something with these. I don't know what just yet, but I definitely, check this out. How cute is that? That is adorable. And look at that. I bought 2 chairs and this little mini table. I can see like a little craft with 2 chairs with a table. You will see that in future videos. And how about this little rocking chair? Is that cute? So adorable. They had these little jars. I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet, but I thought they were so cute. I had to have them. So I picked those up. And the trucks, these farmhouse trucks are very popular. So I picked that up. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with that yet. Probably going to pull this thing out and maybe repaint it. I don't know. We'll see. And this guy here is going to be, well, you know what? I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to do something with this, and I can't wait to get started on that. This is going to be a Christmas craft. Anyway, that's my Dollar General haul. So stay tuned for all the crafts that will be coming up. Bye.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again real soon. Happy crafting!